welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write a program to count numbers of vowels in a string. Okay, so first what we need is we need to import one library, include stereo.h. Stereo.h is used to perform all input and output operation like taking input from the user and showing the result to the user. These all are done with this help of Studio.h, this library. You need to include this library. Okay. After that, you need to just write the main function. With the main function, you have to write the code. Okay. So what is this code is about the counting the number of a string. Okay. So first we need one variable that is count of 0 size. So that will be incremented whenever the string found one vowels. Okay. So we need a array string, sorry, we need a character C and F of size. Let me just take 100. And after that, printf asking user to enter the string. Okay, and let me just store the value which user enters with the help of gets C. When you use this method, the string user entered by the user will be stored in this variable, in this character array. Okay. So after that, now we have the value. Now what we need to do is whenever we found an vowels, like vowel are 5 A, E, I, U, U. Okay. A, E, I, O and U. So whenever we find these, this count needs to be incremented. Okay. So how to do that? For that, first we need to uh, loop from beginning to the end of this character. So for that, you just need to write this into 0, and after that, that C of I not equals to that null. Okay. So this is null. This found after the character ends, and it will be available there. So when this found is not equal to this, it means that when it found this into this array, then this will end this loop. Okay, and after that I plus plus, you need to do it like this, and in this you have to check that if character the value of I is equal to a, or you just copy this code, copy and paste this, paste, again paste, and that's it. And we just need to change this value A, E, I, O and Q. If you need for the capital A, capital E and capital I, then you can just add in a similar way more by adding this or, and the same way just add more. Okay, and when they find this, we need to increment this count value just like this, or you can just use, either you can use like this or you can use like this, plus equals 1. In the both way, it will increment count by 1. Okay. So let me just come in 1. And after that, now we have now calculated the count, and what we need to do is just print the count. Okay, so I'm just printing printf, and to print we need to use this %d, and let me just write total number of vowels string is like this, and after that you need to enter just count and just save it and execute it. Okay, so we have to save it first. I'm saving this text main and just execute it. So it's actually fast taking time. So it's now asking for string. So let me just type my name as base, and here we see this. Total number of vowels in a string is 5. So let me just check. Here you can see this A is here 1, 2, I 3, E here we have 4, and here we have A. So 5. So total number of vowels in 5. I hope you understood this code. And if you have any query, then just comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. And for more videos, just stay tuned.